Today we are unboxing the Smart 25R Mac and taking out for some field testing. We can see the receiver to use a compact protective case, which contains the user manual, charger adapter, data cable, and the receiver itself. The Smart 25R net is small, lightweight, only 0.55 kg, with a large polymer body. It supports 5-star and 60-frequency positioning data, built-in Bluetooth and IU module, and it pairs easily with Android phones. Now let's start a field test. We connect the receiver. Open up the Smart Survey app and pair it via Bluetooth. Configure it as a rover. Connect to course. Tap apply. And you can see we get a fit solution in just a few seconds. Tap the statue bar at the top. We can see that it is receiving signal from Plato, GPS, Cronus, carriers, GSS, and other satellite constellation. Next, we are going on the sun trees to see how it handles. We have now arrived in the woods, although the tree obscure the sky overhead. Our receiver is still maintaining a pitch solution. And then ready. And data creation is processing normally. Now let's check out the field measurement feature. Go into File Survey. Tap the field measurement button and follow the promo to initialize. Once the icon turns green, you can measure up to which points you without street level, like near the water's edge, along the star like that. Next, let's test the field accuracy. We pick a point. Track coordinate and sequence to pencil. After we finish, we export the data as a CSV file and we are on a computer for comparison.
So it also that even at a 60 degrees chill, the position difference is less than 2 centimeters. As a low-cost solution, the device combines the characteristics of small size, portability, and high-precision positioning. It is an essential tool for professionals seeking to improve work efficiency and data accuracy. If you happen to be looking for a lightweight, high-precision GNSS RTK, the Smart 25R net is an excellent choice. You can purchase it from our official website or Amazon or contact us directly.